Rare IROC parts? In this video we start by opening a box from CFR Performance, then we open a box of rare IROC parts and share some really cool Camaro and Firebird research material. Let's get to it. Alright, I got a box from CFR Performance for one of my projects. Let's see what's inside. Safety first. Alright, got some CFR Performance gear, shirt, Camaro on there, nice, another Camaro shirt. Wow, we got a few shirts here, awesome. Oh, I really needed a mouse pad, that's awesome, thanks guys. Some CFR Performance bags for trade show use. CFR Performance lanyard, and the meat. All right, let's see what's inside here. Valve covers. Ooh, that's awesome. Aluminum small block Chevy short aluminum valve covers. Perfect for my project. Nice. Those are really nice cast aluminum black valve covers. Vent parts in there, baffle shields. Perfect. Just what the doctor ordered. A set of small block Chevrolet short valve covers. Nice. Nice finish too. Painted all the way, inside and out. CFR Performance. Thanks guys. These are perfect. And for a separate project, what do you think would be in this box? This box was something I bought off of eBay for IROC Daily. Oh, tape to cut. Only staples that cut you back when you open up and get your arm in there. Alright, so let's see what we got for IROC Daily. A set of valve covers for the TPI, and just in case you didn't know this, these valve covers that are perimeter bolt valve covers for a TPI, these are specifically for TPI, and they're only specifically for 85 and 86 IROCs with TPI and Firebirds with TPI. So this is a 2-year only valve cover for F bodies with a TPI. This doesn't cover the Corvette. And then in 87, they switched to the center bolt valve covers. So these are a 2-year only for GM with a TPI only. So these were not easy to find for IROC Daily, but these are in pretty good shape. Got a couple little dings here and there, but I knew that going into the auction. So I'm going to pop those out and paint these with spray paint that's actually very close to what the original is. If I can't get it close, it's going to be, if I can't get it exact on, it's going to be pretty darn close, because I want to put the correct valve covers on IROC Daily. But these aluminum ones from CFR Performance are not going on the IROC Daily project. They're for a different project. So anyway, these are awesome. And look for a video coming up soon. And once I get the video posted for painting these valve covers, you'll see a little link up here showing the video on how to do it. And how to prep them, how to strip them, maybe pound out some little dings, and then how to paint them properly and the matching process that I'll be using. So that video will be right up here in the corner. When I was doing the research on the valve covers for IROC Daily, I bought myself a Firebird 82 to 92 manual from GM, and I also have the 82 to 92 Camaro. So now I have both F-body manuals, and these manuals have all the illustration drawings of every part of the car, and there's the valve cover. So I was able to track that down through all of the information here by the number 37, and then you go down to 37 here, go across valve cover, rocker, and then you go to the other section, and then it goes down to what the right hand numbers were and what the left hand numbers were and what years they actually covered. So you got your 85, 86 there. So those are 85, 86 only valve covers. Awesome. Those are pretty rare valve covers. All right, that's it. That is the research part of the project. Thanks a lot. When I say these valve covers are rare, it's actually more correct to say that it's rare to see them for sale off of a car. So you can see that these are the stamped steel with a simulated fin valve covers. These actually mimic the top of the TPI plenum. So these are on the LB9 equipped F cars. The F car is the Camaro and Firebird. The Corvette actually had a cast valve cover, so these were only available in stamped steel for the Firebird and Camaro. So for the grand total of 85 and 86 Camaros combined was 79,210 cars sold with these, and for the Firebirds 38,516 total sold with these valve covers. So a grand total of 117,726 Camaros and Firebirds were sold with these valve covers, and it's still rare to find them for sale online. And if you want to know where I get my data from, I actually get it from the Camaro White Book and the Firebird, the all 82 to 92 Pontiac Firebird colors, codes, and quantities. You can see that this one covers all the Camaros from 67 to 2011, and this covers, you can see the thickness of the book, but it actually just covers the third gens. So these are great resources for finding out the options, RPOs, and stuff like this. This goes a lot more in depth into the colors of the cars, but those are really great resources. So if you're into the data and the research, these are really good to pick up. Anyway, that's it. Have a good one. If you like that video, give us a thumbs up. What's your favorite third gen research book? If you like third gens, go check out our other videos. Get in gear.